Welcome back. 2.5 minutes left here as we head toward the close. The Dow is down just 7 points. So let's look ahead and focus on the earnings coming out. It's like a little island here. We've had very few earnings reports lately, but tonight, a pretty good cross-section here. The biggest one by far will be Cisco Systems. You can see that's up 0.25% right now heading into the close here. JCPenney, as Stacy Widlitz pointed out, we've already gotten a sense of what the year-over-year sales numbers will look like. The question is, what's the guidance going to be from that retailer? And that stock's down 1.5% right now. Shake Shack with their second earnings after IPOing earlier this year. That's up 3.2%. Still expecting a loss, though, from Shake Shack. And NetEase will be out as well. And that's, I was going to say that was the best performer, but Shake Shack's still doing well. But NetEase is up 2% going into the close ahead of those earnings reports here. You know, the cross-section here, these sectors, anybody you like right here?
I like the technology sector, Bill. I like the retail, consumer staples, consumer discretionary sectors. And I think financials have to pull the S&P 500 out of a support level of about 2120.
Especially if interest rates continue to rise.
Especially if interest rates continue to rise. I like the way the market's setting up, though, right now. I wouldn't be fooled by a lot of the headline risk. Bob and I just talked about that. I really think the market is setting up nice for a really good sustained rally.
$67 for Shake Shack. Think about this when it went public in the 20s. Heaven bless them. I mean, they have some weird cult-like devotion.
Oh, they do,
there.
absolutely.
They make great hamburgers.
There are very many of them, but
it's unbelievable. $67 for a hamburger shake stand. JCPenney, I care about, he said. JCPenney, get me out of this. Look, they said that so far, comp store sales are up 3.5%, 4.5%. That's their guidance. If they can hit 4%, I would be very impressed. Macy's down 0.7%, and they were talking about, everyone's talking about up 1%. They've got to hit some good numbers, and if they don't, now we've got a trend going where all the retailers are disappointing. We've got to get the traffic better. We've got to get the inventory better. Haven't heard any of that.
Very good. Thank you, Mark.
Thank you, Paul. Thanks for having me. Nice to see you.